Guys, guess what's here? So in front of me is the newly launched TVS Raider, which is all the hype right now. Well, I see it for the first time. I'm like, first impressions be cool, young looking, sporty, and so like it's got this whole muscular stance to it. I love that. And I'm totally digging this yellow pop, man. Ooh. Nice. The headlamps and tail lamps on this are all LED. Very cool for a 125cc. So interestingly, the TVS Raider has a whole bunch of firsts that nothing in its segment even thought of. Check this out. This is the first time I'm actually seeing such a neatly designed and usable, like actually usable under-seat storage in an Indian motorcycle. And that's why I'm going to keep my most precious item in there. My vada paws. See, fits so nicely. Love it. I've always seen riding modes on the bigger bikes, but the TVS Raider is the first in its segment to actually have two riding modes. This button here, you push it down and it changes to eco, or you can go opt for power. Now eco mode of course gives you better fuel efficiency and all of that. And yeah, especially with our petrol prices rising and all, this is a great option, I think. This is a 3-valve air and oil-cooled engine with TVS ETFI fuel injection technology. So TVS has been damn clever here because this doesn't have a normal oil cooler mounted to the front of the engine. So what they've done instead is that they've built these amazing oil cooling fins towards the side of the engine. How cool is that? So TVS claims that this is one of the fastest accelerating motorcycles among the affordable 125cc's. So let's check it out. I think TVS may be right. So light. That's crazy. I wish I had this in college, man. When did turning a motorcycle become this easy? This is so easy to ride. It is so flickable. Look at this. I'm loving how easy, how lightweight this is. And I think I'm going to stop riding superbikes because this is really fun to ride, man. So the new TVS Raider has a pretty cool feature. Now, suppose I am stuck at a red light and my bike is idling away. This is what the bike does. It cuts itself off, man. And then immediately you can just, your light has turned green and off I go. The other features that I found really cool and would expect to see on a 150 and up are the gear shift indicator, the gear position indicator, the side stand indicator, the reverse LCD digital speedo, the wider split seat for pillion comfort, and a little warning to remind you that your head is precious. So wear a helmet. All this comes at a price which is pretty much on par with the other 125cc's in the market. But I think it's great because you're getting so much more with this motorcycle. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed what we did with the TVS Raider. And if you did, then please tell us in comments what you think. And if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Also, comments is the place where you can ask all those questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. And of course, share the Bike with Girl space and community with your friends. Let's all become one big happy family. See ya.